Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the topic finder in PowerSearch that's in GALE. So from the Computech Library website, we'll scroll down to GALE and open up the GALE page. To the right is going to be the GALE PowerSearch, and that's what we want to click on to open up. When we get in to GALE, we're going to come over here to where the topic finder is. That's what we want to work on today. This is going to help narrow our topic. So if I start with a topic and say it's women in military. Okay, and then click the search button, and then we're going to let this visualization pull up. So what this shows us is all the articles that GALE found in all the databases related to women in military, and it's further sorted it into other areas. So if I wanted to just look up Americans, articles that have to do with Americans with women in military, then I would click here. Now this big tile here, this one's the largest because the most articles they found had to do with this topic, women military personnel. Fewer articles had to do with honor or pilots. Okay, so if I click on one of these tiles, like women military personnel, I'm going to get all the results that come from that. So right here you see there's 99 different references that were pulled up. So I could go through those 99, or I could further refine the search. So I might want to look at equality, because that's what I'm interested in researching. So I'm going to click on equality, and it'll further narrow the results. There's 9 results that have to do with equality in this topic. So I can go through those articles and choose the ones that'll be right for me. So if I click on one of those articles and let it open up, okay, now I'm in that article. I can look over it here, or I could go and send it to the Google Drive and read it later and highlight it when it's in my Google Drive account. So I'd have to choose the right account, and then it'll tell you that it was sent to Google Drive. And now I can go back to TopicFinder. So when I go back, what's nice is it takes me back to the exact same page with all those search terms already still up and the results. So if I want to go back out of this area and look at another area, if I hit reset, it pulls me back to the original search, and I can dig into one of these other areas, like military service. Now military service has 33 articles, and I can do it all over again. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you find articles related to your topic.